Caroma, it works. We keep telling you that the performance of the Caroma toilets is ahead of the rest. This computer animation has been designed to show the difference between Caroma washdown flush technology versus siphon flushing. Two key things to look out for on this animation: the motion of the water and the size of the trapway. Now, let's show you a real-life example. Years of research has proven that Caroma flush technology is superior to what you would be used to here in North America. Don't try this with your siphon toilet at home. Here's the other superior feature of the Caroma toilet. Look at the size of that trapway. Nearly twice the size of a normal toilet. Toilet blockages are a thing of the past with your Caroma toilet.